Welcome to IRIE Braille and Innovation. This video will show you how to remove and properly reinstall the shipping lock on the IRIE BrailleSheet 120 Embosser. Open the paper door and find the metal shipping lock pin near the lower right side of the opening. Turn the shipping lock pin in a counterclockwise direction until it is loose and easily slides out of the embosser. Along the bottom of the opening, you'll find two plastic mounts that will hold the shipping lock pin. Be sure to store the pin in this location so you can easily find it later. Transporting the embosser without the shipping lock pin installed can cause damage to your embosser. If you're having trouble inserting the shipping pin, it's probably being blocked by the printer carriage. Just lift the left side of the machine, lift it up to a little above a 45-degree angle until you hear a thunk. At that point, the carriage should be in the right place and you can reinsert the shipping lock. Make sure to turn the shipping pin until it's hand tight. Now your IRIE BrailleSheet 120 is ready for transport.